Before disposing of styrofoam, find out if your local recycling service will accept it. If not, you will need to throw the styrofoam away in the regular trash. Remove any recyclable components from the styrofoam item, such as cardboard, paper, or recyclable plastic, and put them aside or toss them into the recycle bin. If it's a large piece of styrofoam, cut it up into smaller pieces so it will fit easily into your trash container. Put the styrofoam in your regular dumpster or garbage can. If you are able to recycle styrofoam in your area, check first that it is clean and free of dyes. Check for the triangular recycling symbol somewhere on the styrofoam. If you're not sure how to recycle the styrofoam, check with your local recycling authority to find out if they will pick it up or if you need to drop it off somewhere. They might also specify what types of styrofoam items they will take, such as clean egg cartons or food trays. If you can't recycle locally, check the EPSIA's website for a mail-in location where you can send your styrofoam. You can also reuse clean styrofoam for arts and crafts or packing material.